Have you ever wondered what this was on a toilet flapper, especially a replacement? Please click the like button. If you have a toilet that won't flush all the way, but it's not clogged, this is probably the video for you. Typically, what it comes down to is the buoyancy on the flapper. Now, that could mean mineral deposits on it, or the chain is too long and weighing it down. Maybe it's not adjusted properly, or maybe the flapper is brittle. Either way, if your flapper's over 5 years old, you're going to want to replace that. And also, I have the one that I used on my toilet. Now, this is an Aqua Source. It's a high efficiency one, and you want to make sure that you have a full the water level is properly set. So this is the one that I used on mine. It's the Korky 3-inch Universal. It replaces a lot of different toilets: American Standard, Alger, Aqua Source, Glacier Bay. It's what's nice about this is it actually has an adjustable. There's a inside it'll adjust where you can change the buoyancy and change the length of time that it'll flush. So on the replacement Korky flapper, you can actually adjust it from 3 down to, it's like a variable, 3 down to close it all the way, and it'll lengthen the flush. Whereas the original, it's a pre-drilled hole setup, so it leaks air as the flapper was pushed, and it takes time for it to close. So you can actually adjust the new Korky to use more of the water in the tank versus less, obviously until it's all used up. So I wanted to show you before in that flapper where that it lets the air out and stops the buoyancy of it, and there's only a time limit. Once that thing loses its air inside of it, it closes really quickly. So it's a one set deal, and you can't really adjust it as long as the chain's not sitting on it. If you get a little deposits building up on it like you see on mine, it does affect it drastically. So over time your flushes will change. Went ahead and put this new flapper in there, and you can see it's fully closed and how long it stays open. It's virtually getting the entire tank, and it takes about 40% longer to fill the actual tank. So I know I'm getting a full flush, and even inside the bowl, the bowl is actually flushing very well. So big difference. Hope you like this video, and if you do like this, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks.